काकरान, दीदी
आप
काकरान।
कहाँ कौन सी क्लास में हो?
फर्स्ट सी।
क्या नमस्कार नमस्कार।
मैं सोची थी कि अभी से अराउंड 9:20 तक आ जाएंगे, आज से टाइम पर आ गए।
आज जल्दी आ जाइए।
हाँ।
मैं भी तैयार नहीं हूँ।
अच्छा, तो आप भी तो जल्दी आए, अच्छा है सर। मैं सब एक बार देख लूँगी आप।
नमस्कार बेटा।
The completion of our family with an applause.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
President of our school, Sri H.L. Bhatia ji, is a friend, philosopher and guide for all of us, whose constant presence, encouragement and motivation is our strength. Sir, your experience, wisdom and foresightedness is our life. I request Madam Principal to present a small plant, a token of our gratitude towards Sir for being our guiding beacon.
A very good morning to dear parents, Bhatia sir and children. Our event manager sir has always spared time to be here, and I'm thankful and grateful to him that he's always there to enjoy with us, to witness the performance of Tiny Tots that is your and our children. We always feel so that organizing such programs, of course, keeps them slightly away from academics. At times parents get little stressed that for these days maths was not taught or language wasn't taught. But you know, the purpose of organizing such programs is actually to build self-esteem of the child. When they work together, they learn together here, they work as a team, they know that we have to be together to make this show successful. And then the stage fear goes away. Gradually, stage fear goes away. The child is able to express whatever the child has to express in public. And you know, in the coming years, public dealing is the most important thing. Even if you are a doctor or you are a good engineer, you are not able, suppose you are a doctor and you are not able to communicate to your parents nicely, to your patients nicely, and ultimately, see, when it so happens that you go to a doctor, if doctor gives you nice medicine, but with that the doctor actually motivates you with his word that you'll be perfect, you'll be alright within 2 days, how are you, and doctor is able to communicate, you would love to go to that doctor. in many public professions, like where if suppose let's say you are a businessman and you are handling people, your communication skills play important role. And as such in life, whatever happens, the child should be able to communicate to the parent. This is one major thing. Then when this program is actually integrated with the learning. Today the children are going to talk about seasons and
Change is the only permanence in this world. The ultimate truth that we all must bow down to survive in this world. Even nature highlights this message with the change in seasons. Each season tells us that life is all about enjoying the joys and sorrows, challenges and opportunities that each moment brings with it. Today, my children will show us through their performance on seasons that we must remain prepared to change as rolling stone gathers no moss. So here come my little children to open the doors of happiness for all of us.
Good morning. We welcome you all. Today we the students of class first going to present the project show on season. Good morning. मीठा आम, बात इसमें कोई खास, हर कोई देख इसे ललचाए, बिन खाए फिर रह न पाए, गर्मी के मौसम में आता, फलों का राजा कहलाता, why only mangoes? There are other fruits also like watermelon, coconut, lychee, grapes and muskmelon. Oh, let's go home. We are getting late. This train was long. We should avoid afternoon heat. I know. In the day, hot winds call blue blows. We must wear hat and use umbrella, shades, sun cream, lotion and powder.
गर्म हवा का पहला झोंका बदल रहा है मौसम सारा कब सा है हर नजारा छुट्टी जल्दी गर्मी का मौसम आया छुट्टी जल्दी धमोया लाया आया मौसम ठंडे ठंडे गर्मी कूल का ठंडे ठंडे गर्मी कूल का
Okay, see you all in the evening. Bye. Mummy, it is very hot outside. Why are summer days are so hot? During summer season, some part of the earth is directly under the sun and its rays are focused on that area. Okay, Mummy, now tell me what will you cook for the evening? I know, Mama will cook one of the summer vegetables are butter gourd, bitter gourd, pumpkin, larfinger, cucumber, and long gourd or baby stems. Mummy, please lower AC temperature. No, we should use AC at 25 degrees Celsius along with the fan. Remember that, Dad? Papa, safe electricity, safe money, safe all other land. Now go and take bath, use water wisely. Many fatal diseases such as cholera, smallpox, etc. break out in the summer season. Due to the heat, rivers, creeks, lakes and ponds dry up and cause scarcity of water. We should not waste water. Save water, the world is in your hands. Papa, I want to go out with my friends in this vacation. Have you ever gone with your friends? Yes, I still remember those days.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी जो भी बदल जाए है
जोकर, तूने पहले ही सूखा दिए हैं। गर्मी के मौसम में हमारा ख्याल रख। Birds need you in the summer. So we must keep water for birds on a roof. Yes, we can. Use AC and drink plastic. Cold drink safe and learn to cool ourselves. Don't forget ice cream.